Okay, so let's try to take all the movies that have the rental duration 7. How we can achieve that? Well, after this query, I'm going to type a command, a keyword, that is where. Where is a keyword that I'm going to specify a condition or a number of conditions. And how will I do that? Well, for example, in this instance, I'm going to type where the column name is equal to 7. And what's this command going to do? It's going to retrieve me all the movies that have rental duration equal with 7. And if I type fire here, I'm going to see that I have 191 rows, not 1000 rows, that have the rental duration 7. For example, let's try to get all the movies that have this title, Chamber Italian. So I'm going to replace this rental duration with title equals, and because Chamber Italian data type is character variant, which is basically a line of characters, I can't write like this, Chamber Italian, because Postgres won't understand what this means. You see here that it's trying to find chamber and is trying to convert this into something, and it doesn't understand. So I'm going to wrap this in a single quotes, not double quotes, because it's a string. So for example, it's going to retrieve me all the movies that have this specific title, and it's only one movie. And maybe let's try something else. Let's delete it here and try to get all the movies that have rating R, where rating equals with R. And if I type here, maybe I can type like this. And here I can see that I have all the movies that have the rating R, because I need to put it in single quotes. And this is basically the where keyword. But try it yourself. Try to find a movie with ID 384 or some other columns that you want to query. But let's see if I want to add multiple conditions. Let's imagine if I want all the movies that have rating R and have rental duration 7. And we'll see that in the next video.